Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you how to do like this eyeshadow look, and if you want to learn how to do it, or if you want me to show you like how to do it. Okay, so since I'm only doing my eyeshadow, I already have my eyebrows done, and then after I do my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So the first thing I used was the Makeup Forever primer, hydrating primer, and I already primed my eyelids. So I'm gonna conceal my eyelids so that focus on my nose. I'm gonna prime my eyelids so that the eyeshadow shows up better. And this is the ColourPop concealer. I'm gonna add another layer just so that it's a better base for the eyeshadow. And for this look, I'm going to be using my new palette. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And the first color I'm going to use is like this nude color. And I'm going to put that for the transition. This is a kind of transition shade that I always like to use. And the next color I think I'm going to use, it's like a dark red. And I think I'm going to use that with the same brush. And I'm just going to put it like not as much to start off, just like dab it on, then blend it out, and then I'm just gonna keep blending it, the color out. I'm gonna blend up the color all over my eyelid, and then I'm gonna bring it up too so that it's up here kinda and out, because I'm gonna do a wing, so I want the color to be everywhere, so like that kind of, and I'm just gonna keep blending it. And now that I put it on both of my eyes, I'm gonna use a different brush, and I'm gonna put the brown color, and this is a little crease brush, so I'm gonna put it in my crease, but like in the corner of my eye, so like right here, and I'm gonna blend it out. And then I'm going to drag the color more down so that I have it right here, just in the end of my eye. And then I'm going to bring the rest of the color, and now I'm going to start moving it towards the front. Just moving around, just blending out the brown. And then I'm going to drag it out. But I'm only keeping it like in the crease and below, like I'm not bringing it up here. And then I'm just dragging it out a little bit. So now that it's blended, I'm gonna do the other eye. Now that I have the brown blended out, I'm gonna put more of the red color, and I'm gonna blend it on my eyelid. And so now it looks more red, because it's darker since I put the brown. Okay, and then for this look, I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used at the beginning. I'm just gonna cut half of the lid with the concealer. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so the clip didn't show, but all I did was I used the ColourPop palette, and then I used the gold color, and I set it on top of where I put the concealer. So I just put it on top. I have to go back in with the red color that I used at the beginning, and I'm gonna use the red and I'm gonna use the brown, and then I'm gonna blend out the end of where I put the shimmer color. So I'm gonna just blend it out so that it looks like that. Now that I blended out the eyeshadow, I'm gonna do a wing. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a wing. but I'm gonna do that off camera. Now that I did my wings, I'm just gonna put mascara on. Okay, now that I put the mascara on, I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face and then I'll come back. Now that I finished the rest of my face, I just have to put on my lashes. And I already have them cut and I have them ready to use. Okay, now I put the lashes on and I'm gonna use the same brush that I put the crease color in with, the brown color, and I'm just gonna put it on the bottom of the eyes. Wait, I'm gonna drag it from the corner and then I'm gonna drag it to the front of my eye. I'm just gonna blend this out. Now that I blended that out, I'm gonna put I'm gonna use the highlight that I put on my face and my nose and everything, and it's the Wet n Wild one, and I'm gonna put it on my brow. That's good. I'm gonna spray it with setting spray, and then I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eye. And then to finish off, I'm gonna put mascara at the bottom of my eyes. This is so that your eyes match like your top lashes. Now that the look is complete, this is how it looks. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, leave a like and comment, and I'll try to upload more. And don't forget to subscribe so that I can make more videos and show you how to do like more makeup looks or any kind of videos.